Hello everyone. So the first step of every single assignment is going to be going through the lecture assignment for each section. So once again, you've logged on, you've checked your announcements, you've made sure you're managing the schedule and staying on pace, and then you're going to start the assignments. For every single section, the first thing you're going to see is a lecture assignment. This lecture assignment is how you're actually going to learn the material. This is where you read the textbook. This first one is going to be the textbook, an actual e-textbook. There's going to be videos of an instructor working through examples. There's a PowerPoint slideshow that you can print up to help you take notes. And sometimes there's even animations to help you work through the difficult application problems, the word problems that you most are not comfortable with. So to start every single time, what I would do is recommend downloading the PowerPoints and printing them out. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Click on the PowerPoint and it will ask you to save it. Go ahead and save it to your desktop or whatever folder you want to save it to. Once you've saved the PowerPoint, I want you to go ahead and open it. And what I'm going to do here is go through, I'm going to click File Print, and I'm going to try to print it. When I print this, instead of printing a full page per slide, I'm going to do the 3-slide option. This uses far less paper. It's still 7 pages of paper for this one section alone, so you are going to go through quite a bit of paper. But notice what it allows me to do. I'm able to read the material, and then I have plenty of room to take my own personal notes, highlight, and do whatever I need. These are nice outlines and shows you the different definitions and different problems and solutions to help you learn the material. This is how I would actually take notes in this class. Is I would start with the lecture slideshows, print these out just like this, 3 to a page, and take my notes on here rather than starting from scratch for each section. So, after you've printed up the PowerPoints, you actually want to go into the textbook and read the material. Click on the textbook and you'll see it open right there to the section that you need. Go ahead and read through it. And I don't expect you to read every single different word in here. I wish you would, but of course textbooks are boring and dry, and I wouldn't expect you to do that. Pay very particular attention to the areas in green, because this is what the main points of the section are. They have little study tips for you to use, etc. As you progress, you're going to do an example. Virtually after every single example, there's going to be a checkpoint question. The nice thing with these checkpoint questions is, first, they've done an example and shown you the solution. The checkpoint question doesn't have the solution, but if you go back to the section and look at the checkpoint videos right here, that checkpoint video actually aligns with the textbook for the different checkpoint questions right here. In other words, when you get to this checkpoint question, go back and click on the checkpoint videos, and you can see a teacher, an instructor, it is not me, but they will work through this exact problem for you, or one extremely similar to it, to make sure you understand how to do this problem. Continue on to the next example. Once you get through it, once again, you're going to see a checkpoint question. So once you understand that solution, do the checkpoint question, go back to the checkpoint video, and continue until you're all the way done with the section. After you're done with the section, you have now looked at the PowerPoints, you've read the book, you've seen the videos on how to do the problems. Try doing the solving the application problem to prepare you for your homework and those difficult word problems that I know you dread. After you've done your lecture assignments, go ahead and click back. Go into the study plan for the lecture assignment that you just did and start working on the problems from there. If you have any questions about lecture assignments, please let me know.